This is Professor Dare Seitz. This video shows how to calculate critical values for a confidence interval for a chi-square distribution. We have, for the chi-square distribution, a degrees of freedom, which is the sample size minus 1. In this sample, it's 24. A blue cell is where you input that. The level of confidence for this example is 99%. The area to the right of the chi-square critical value is 1 minus the level of confidence divided by 2. The area to the right of the left chi-square critical value is 1 minus the area to the right of the right chi-square critical value. The right chi-square critical value is calculated using this formula, using the chi-square inverse right B3, B1. B3 is the area to the right. And the left chi-square critical value uses the same formula, but with B4, B1 here. B4 is the area to the right of the left chi-square critical value. This could be very confusing trying to remember all this, so it's all set up here. And you just enter the degrees of freedom, the level of confidence, and you get your right and left chi-square critical values.